In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneDrive to previous date and time. If you need to roll back your OneDrive because files were deleted, changed by mistake, or affected by unwanted edits, this built-in restore option can be really helpful. It lets you return your OneDrive to an earlier point, which can save a lot of time compared to fixing files one by one. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to start the process. First, open OneDrive and go to the My Files page. This is the main area where your stored files and folders appear, and it's the best place to begin because the settings we need are accessible from here. Make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account before continuing, especially if you use more than one account for personal or work files. Once you are on the My Files page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu for your OneDrive account. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a second to fully load and then check the upper right area again. After clicking the gear icon, select Settings from the menu. This will open the main settings area for your OneDrive, where Microsoft groups together different account and storage options. Take your time here and make sure you choose the standard settings option rather than any other shortcut that may appear in the menu. Inside Settings, click Restore your OneDrive. This is the option that takes you to the recovery tool. From there, OneDrive will guide you through choosing a previous date and time to restore your files. This feature is especially useful if a large number of files were affected because it can reverse changes across your OneDrive instead of requiring you to recover each file manually. As you go through the restore process, pay close attention to the timeline and the summary of changes. That helps you affirm you're selecting the right restore point before applying it. It's always a good idea to review the available options carefully so you don't accidentally restore to the wrong moment. And that's it. To restore OneDrive to a previous date and time, go to My Files, click the gear icon, open Settings, and then choose Restore your OneDrive. Once you reach that tool, you can follow the on-screen prompts to complete the recovery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.